Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2. I am Intan Putri Supita and my friend is Fani Nabila. We will explain about material development. Okay, please listen to us. Okay, the first is definition of materials development. Materials development is one of the important factors that can improve the quality of learning. Is the material that is developed according to the needs teachers and students and is properly monitored. Hennis 1996 classifies the types of teaching materials based on how they work. The first is teaching materials that are not projected. Example is photo, diagrams, displays, and models. The second is projected teaching materials. Example is slides, film strips, transparent overhead, and computer projection. The third is audio teaching materials. Example is cassettes and compact discs. Four is video teaching materials. Example is video and films. The last is computer media teaching materials. Example is computer mediated instruction and computer-based multimedia or hypermedia. Okay, the next is principles and procedures in materials development. Tomlinson, there are several principles related to material development in language teaching. Namely, the first is materials should achieve impact. Second is materials should help students fit the user. The third is materials should help learners develop confidence. Four is what is being taught should be perceived as relevant and useful by learner. Five is materials should require and facilitate learner self-investment. Six, learners must be ready to acquire the point being taught. Seven is materials should expose learners to language in authentic use. Eight, the learner's attention should be drawn to linguistic features of the input. 9. Materials should provide learners with opportunities to use the target language to achieve communicative purpose. 10. Materials should take account that the positive effect of instruction are usually delayed. 11. Materials should take account that learner differ in learning style. 12. Materials should take account that learner differ in affective attitude. 13 is materials should permit a silent period at the beginning of instruction. 14 is material should maximize learning potential by according intellectual, aesthetic, and emotional involvement, which simulates both right and left brain activities. 15 is materials should not rely on too much controlled practice. And the last is materials should provide opportunities for outcome feedback.
First, analysis. It is necessary to identify students' initial behavior. This is related to their level of mastery and ability in the file of knowledge that will be given. This relates to the characteristics and demographic data of students. 2. Design. At this stage, the teacher formulates learning objectives, develops two subject concept maps, and develops an outline of the learning program. A. Formulation of learning objectives. The components of learning objectives are audience, behavior, condition, and degree. B. Development of concept maps or contents maps. The teacher can set the topic of the subject and its content. Furthermore, the teacher can use a variety of teaching resources. Then the teacher can create a concept map that will become the basis for the scope of the description of the subject topics in teaching materials. C. selection of media and learning resource. The selected media is a tool and a way to facilitate, simplify the student learning process and make the learning process more interesting for students. D. Selection of learning strategies. The teacher designs the order in which the topic is presented. Exercises, then assignments for students. Examples need to be given to clarify the topic, as well as formative and summative evaluations to measure learning success. 3. Development. At this stage is the stage of developing teaching materials. Way to help teachers get started on material development. First, write down what is written. 2. Don't feel that we have to start in order. 3. Write or develop teaching materials. 4. Teaching materials must be able to provide learning experience to students. 5. Variety of media. 6. Various examples. 7. Writing style. And 4. Evaluation and revision. Evaluation is a process to obtain various reactions from various parties to the teaching materials being developed. After evaluation, improvements must be made so that the final teaching material is ready to be used in the subject learning process. To develop teaching materials, there are 5 steps. First, analysis phase. 2, design stage. 3, development stage. 4, evaluation stage. And last but not least, based on the comments obtained by each evaluation. Alright, that's it for our presentation as the second group. Thank you so much for watching our video. And I'm Fanny as the presenter, and there's my friend Intan Putri Rusvita that I already explained before. Thank you.